So students, see this, we have a beam and the point load acting is 4 meter and 2 meter, and this is A, this is B and this is C. We have reaction RA and RB. Here when this acting on a beam, we have to find out RA and RB, reaction at A and reaction at B. So taking moments at A, so consider in clockwise direction, what is the moment acting? So we have to take is, generally moment is force into distance. So moment is force into distance. So here force is this and distance is this. So when we are calculating reaction at A, the moment is 18 into distance 4 is equal to, so total clockwise reaction, total clockwise movement is equal to total anti-clockwise movement. So this is a clockwise movement, 18 multiplied by 4. If you go with anti-clockwise, so this is the anti-clockwise direction, RB is the force acting anti-clockwise, it is acting force into distance. When we are taking moments at B, we are taking from this direction RB into this total length 2 plus 4, that is 2 plus 4. We can write it as RB into 6 is 18 multiplied by 4. So if you solve this equation, you can get RB is equal to 12 kilonewton. So from RA plus RB is equal to 18 kilonewton, right? So just have a correction, RA plus RB is equal to 18 kilonewtons. So here RA plus RB is equal to total load. I want to write sigma m is equal to 0. Here before I wrote RA plus RB is equal to 0, that is sigma m is equal to 0. Here RA plus RB is equal to 18 kilonewton. So RB you got 12 kilonewton, that is 18 kilonewton. So if I want to find RA will be 18 kilonewton minus 12 kilonewton. So 18 minus 12 is 6 kilonewton. So the reactions are at RA, if you are having a load of 18 kilonewton, RA is 6 kilonewton and RB is 12 kilonewton. So this is the way how to solve this equation, RA and RB. I think this is a point load. So let me explain what I have done it again. So 18 kilonewtons we are having a point load. So these are RA and RB. This load is acting at C, which is 4 meter away from the A and 2 meter away from the B. When you take moments at A in clockwise direction, moment is equal to force into distance. So force is equal to distance, force multiplied by distance. So what I have done, moments at A is equal to total clockwise movement is equal to total anti-clockwise movement. So clockwise movements 18 into 4, force into distance, anti-clockwise movement force into total distance, RB into 6. If you solve this equation, you will get RB is equal to 12 kilonewton. So once you know this RB is 12 kilonewton, we have an equation RA plus RB is equal to 18 kilonewton. So RA plus, if you solve this equation, you will get RA as 6 kilonewton.